Din Hannah għandha 14-il sena. F'dan ir-ritratt Hannah tidher moħħta, Joe. U f'dan ir-ritratt Hannah tidher ma' missiera, Dave. Hannah tifla ferriħa. Ftit xhur ilu, Hannah tibda tidħol f'websites popolari maż-żgħażagħ. Is-sajt jisimha Ask FM. Website li fiha wieħed jista' jagħmel mistoqsija jew jikteb li jrid lil persuna l-oħra b'mod anonimu. Waqt li kienet qed tiġi bullied l-iskola, Hannah tgħaddi wkoll minn bullying fuq il-website Ask FM. Fost il-kummenti li Hannah rċiviet fuq Ask FM kien hemm tajjir dwar id-dera tagħha. Tajjir dwar it-tsiju li kien għadu kif miet b'kanċer. U saħansitra kummenti bħal għax ma tixrobx il-bleach u toqtol lilek innifsek. Wara xhur sħaħ ta' bullying, Hannah temm ħajjitha.
Dave Smith says that his 14-year-old daughter Hannah killed herself in Lutterworth in Leicestershire because she'd been subjected to abuse after seeking advice about her eczema on a social networking site.
It was here at the home she shared with her father and sister that her body was found.
It's just such a shock that someone so lovely as her would feel like she can't talk to anybody, express how she feels.
That she was receiving messages that included, "You must die."
Minn dakinhar, missier Hannah, Dave, jibda kampanja kontra l-bullying fuq l-internet. Fabian u Mandy mit-tim ta' Xarabank imorru l-Ingilterra u jiltaqgħu ma' missier Hannah, Dave Smith. Fl-istess dar li Hannah temmet ħajjitha.